Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to show you how to install a top case on the Suzuki Burgman street. Now if you are in India like us, you will know that ready-made top case racks are hard to come by. So we decided to go to the custom route. Let's get started. Our first stop was the grill shop. We found a design online that fit our needs perfectly and took it to the shop owner. The shop owner was fantastic. He took our reference design and started welding the rack. Watching the process was really interesting and gave us confidence that the rack would be sturdy and reliable. With our custom rack ready, it was time to head back home and give it a fresh coat of paint. We used a black spray paint which we think matches perfectly with the Burgman street. The last step was attaching the top case. It fit perfectly and now we have a great storage solution for our rides. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more DIY scooter projects. Thanks for watching, ride safe and see you in the next video.